Welcome to our video on understanding your George Washington University School of Engineering and Applied Science Graduate Program Admissions Letter. Just as a reminder, this video will only be applicable to students who have been accepted to a SEAS graduate program here at GW. The official admissions letter is important because it will give you vital information regarding your specific program. For instance, scholarship and funding opportunities, admissions conditions, and any course prerequisites that your department has identified for you. First and foremost, it's important to know where to access your official admissions letter. The most recent version of your SEAS admissions letter can be found within the online application portal where you applied for your graduate program. Log into the portal and click on the hyperlink to View Decision Letter. Once you're viewing your decision letter, one of the most important things to note at the top of the letter is your GW Student Identification Number, or GWID. You should make a point to memorize this number as you will be asked for it on most forms you complete for GW. It allows university administrators and faculty to identify you quickly and correctly so they can give you the best information and assistance possible. Next, confirm that the program and starting term listed in your letter are correct. If your program offers an area of focus and you identify desired area of focus in your initial application, you can also find your assigned area at the end of your letter in the Other Important Information section. If you have questions or concerns about either of these details, please contact the SEAS Graduate Admissions Office right away by emailing engineering@gwu.edu. If you're a current GW SEAS undergraduate student and apply to complete your MS degree in one additional year, then please pay special attention to this portion of your letter. If you've been admitted to the 5-year program, you will see your program name listed as a combined BS-MS degree. If you do not see this wording, then you're either in a master's program or in a PhD program. In your official admissions letter, you can find information regarding any conditions that have been set on your admittance to your graduate program. For instance, some students are required to enroll in certain academic or English language courses during their first semester. It is very important that you fulfill all conditions within the timeframe stated in your admissions letter. Failure to do so will or could result in removal from your program, so it is extremely important that you contact SEAS Graduate Admissions if you need any clarification on the conditions in your letter. Another important bit of information that can be found in your letter is the availability of any funding opportunities that may be available to you. Some students will see it clearly stated on their admissions letter that they have been awarded a fellowship and the amount of this fellowship. If no fellowship or other funding opportunities have been awarded, you will see something along the lines of, "Unfortunately, no assistantships or fellowships are available to you at this time." In addition to that information which is specific to you and your academic program of study, your admissions letter is also full of more general information, including links to the next steps that you should take as an admitted student, the GW official transcript policy, and the George Washington University Bulletin, where you can find rules and regulations regarding your program and academics at GW. Even more useful links can be found at the very end of your letter in the Other Important Information section. We hope this information has been helpful. As always, please do not hesitate to contact SEAS Graduate Advising and SEAS and Student Services at engineering@gwu.edu or csgrad@gwu.edu if you have any questions about your admissions letter. We look forward to having you join our student body and welcome you to George Washington University.